Right, welcome to another East Van drone. Today we are out in Abbotsford at the Mission Abbotsford Bridge, or is it the Abbotsford Mission Bridge? We're at golden hour and we have just done some amazing photography of this sunset behind me. The park is quite full, it's quite warm. There's the bridge. And it's a beautiful sunset. Enjoy the video and make sure you give it a thumbs up and give it a like and subscribe to the channel, much appreciated. Thanks for supporting East Van Drone.